Hey guys, I'm Nidhi. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I post art videos. Today, I want to talk about the diamond painting I'm working on. I bought this from Amazon at $2.99. I wasn't able to create anything new or added the videos I already have. I needed something relaxing to get back to crafting, so I bought this diamond painting kit. And let me tell you, the process is so soothing and meditating. It will get you hooked in no time. You will be addicted to this. Now, about the kit. It came well packed. Everything was included in the kit except for resealable bags and tweezers. Tweezers for securing runaway drills and bags for storing the drills. The canvas is nice and sticky. The drills aren't too bad either. As you can see, the printing on the canvas is clear. Sufficient quantity of drills were provided. It is my first kit, so I don't have any storage for drills. And it's not easy to keep the drills safe in open bags when you have 22 months old twins. I wasn't sure whether I will be able to finish the painting or not, as my daughter spilled the drills twice, but it's done and there is still lots of drills remaining from each color. The painting is so beautiful. It has 22 colors. I love colors. I'll recommend buying this kit if you are looking for budget-friendly craft for yourself or your kids. Do you guys also like diamond painting? Let me know in the comment section. I ordered couple more kits from Amazon, Flipkart and Meesho that I will be showing you in upcoming videos. That's all for today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.